is going on, everyone? Hope you're having a great day. I figured we would start the week out awesome. We got an unboxing to do, and it's a very big box, so I couldn't sit on it too much longer. The part actually came on Friday as I was leaving to go to the Poconos, so it's been sitting in the living room ever since, so I'm sure my wife is going to be happy that we're going to unbox this thing and get it out of the way. So let's head upstairs, let's do the unboxing, and then we will come right back here and talk about what we're opening. Okay, so here is the box from a little bit of a distance. It is quite large, I would say about maybe 6 foot, maybe a little over 6 foot. So what I want you to do is pause the video before we go any further. Go below in the comment section and let me know what you think this is. This obviously isn't going to go as easy as I planned because it never does. So we're going to slide this back. All right, time to see what's in there. But inside this box here, let's see if you could tell. Long box. This is what the end looks like. And it also came with hangers. Oh yes, the enthusiast will know. This is a exhaust system for the Toyota Tundra. It is the BA Muffler 8-inch exhaust system right here from Sparks Parts. Alright, so here is the exhaust system out of the box. I tried to put the little bit that I pulled out back in the box and couldn't do it, so I ripped the whole box open. So what? So anyway, it's got a nice flat black finish. The finish isn't really going to matter because obviously it's going under the truck. It looks like a very simple design. Now this is more to the front of the truck. Alright, this will shoot right on over there. There's your hangers. Come back and then you use, I believe you use what's on there already, the stock tailpipe. Now when installing an exhaust system, there's nothing better than simplicity. So this package literally came with everything you see right here. Your pipes and your clamps. That's it. That's all that was in the box. Perfect. As you can see, we got ourselves a new BA Muffler 8-inch exhaust system. The catcher is, it's not for the Platinum Pro. No. I got the TRD dual exhaust on there and I actually really like it. This exhaust is going on the old man's truck. That's right. This exhaust is from my father's 2018 Tundra. I figured I really wanted to try a BA muffler system from Dirty Deeds Industries. And what better way to do so than using my father's truck as a guinea pig on this one. I love the TRD dual exhaust. I don't necessarily want to go ripping that off to put this on, but best of both worlds. That's why it's always good to have two Tundras. Now, obviously, this part is available and from Sparks Parts in this instance here. About $700 at the end of the video. I'll put up the picture with the description from Sparks Parts. It has all the item number, all that stuff on it. You can order with confidence from them, of course. So I'm very excited to get this on my father's truck. I've put on a few exhausts on the Tundras over the years. Some are very complicated, some there's cutting involved, yada yada yada. This seems like a very, very simple take-off, put-on kind of exhaust installation, which I'm very excited about. It's 2 pieces and some clamps. Doesn't get much easier than that. If you are a person that is not mechanically inclined, I suggest one of the things you start on is something like an exhaust. Because it is very simple, very cut and dry. If you have the TRD dual exhaust, it comes with very detailed instructions. The part is made for the Tundra, so it's very easy to take stuff off and put stuff on without having to do, like I said, all the cutting and stuff. Now, this BA muffler system is specifically made for the Tundra as well. So I will make a video, as much of a how-to as I possibly can, but we will go through it step by step in installing this on my father's vehicle within the next couple weeks whenever we get some weather that's decent. But good news. We're actually going to be getting up into the 50s and 60s in temperature, so we will have time. I also want to install the driver's side grab handle on my father's truck as well, so we will get that done while we're there. So, what do you guys think of it? I love the flat black look of it. That is very cool. Like I said, very simple install. It looks like we're going to be using the tailpipe kit that's already on the truck. I think so, from what it looked like. So, it's going to be fun. It's going to be a good install. Another good thing about this exhaust system that we're putting on, and like I said, we will do performance testing, we will do sound testing, all that stuff so you guys can decide. But another good thing is this is around $700 when the TRD dual exhaust is about $1,100. So if you want to save some coin, this might be the way to do it. And all of the hardcore Tundra enthusiasts rave about BA Mufflers and Dirty Deeds Industries. So I look forward to seeing what everyone's talking about. So comment below the video. Let me know what you think about this surprise unboxing. And I will tell you right now, my father is pretty pumped up. So we're going to get this thing on sooner than later. So let me know what you think. Twitter and Instagram at TundraDude34, TundraDude34@gmail.com. You guys have a good day.